Hello and welcome to Cabrini. My name is Ms. Walsh, Math Chairperson. There's a few things we'd like you to know about learning math here. First, we feel that students learn best when they're comfortable and connected. So we invest a lot of time in getting to know our students well. And if we've learned anything from this past year, it's that relationships matter most. Second, we know that when our students feel competent, there's no limit to their success. So we provide quality instruction, access to and practice with technology, engaging projects, real-world applications, practical everyday math skills, test prep, and more, all the while providing support along the way. Third, we believe that choice is an important part of one's development and pursuit of future goals. So there are opportunities to move between academic and honors coursework throughout one's studies. And then finally, we know that learning math is always facing the next challenge. And that's true for life as well. So to encourage our students to become problem solvers, we ask them to take risks, learn from mistakes, feel comfortable doing so, adopt a growth mindset, and learn how to ask for help as well. So our course offerings include Introduction to Algebra all the way through Calculus. We offer honors coursework at just about every level and opportunities to earn college credit through our dual enrollment program. What you'll find here is that the math teachers are often the first to arrive and last to leave on campus, and that's because we love our students, we love our subject, and we know working together we can make a difference so everyone can achieve at high levels.